In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the speakers are not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab your Samsung phone and check the speakers of your Samsung phone. If you find any dust or debris trapped in the speakers of your Samsung phone, so just use a soft brush and clean the speakers of your Samsung phone. After you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. Under the Connection settings, just tap on Bluetooth. Now if Bluetooth is turned on your Samsung phone, then just disable this toggle and turn off Bluetooth, because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your Samsung phone, your phone might automatically connect to any other Bluetooth device, and this might be why sound is not coming out of the speakers of your Samsung phone. So just disable Bluetooth and check if your issue is fixed or not. After that, just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, if your phone is either on mute or vibrate, just select sound. After that, just scroll down and tap on volume, and from here just make sure you increase all these volume sliders. Now after you increase all these volume sliders, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on accessibility. Under the accessibility settings, just tap on hearing enhancements, and from here just scroll down, then tap on mute all sounds. If this option is turned on, just turn it off. After you do that, then just go back and turn off mono audio. If this option is enabled, just turn it off. Then finally just scroll down to the bottom of the page and check the slider of phone speakers. Now if this slider is either on the right side or on the left side, you will face sound issues out of the speakers of your Samsung phone. Just make sure you set this slider to the center. And after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just open the dialer app, and from here just dial this *#0*#. Now after you do that, you will open the diagnostics page of your Samsung phone. Now from here just tap on the speaker. Let us check if the speakers are working of your Samsung phone or not. Now from here, you can tap on the speaker icon one more time, and you can test each speaker separately. Now if you have tested the speakers of your Samsung phone and if they are working over here, then in that case just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just go back to the main settings page and scroll down to the bottom of the page. From here, just tap on General Management. Now just scroll down and tap on Reset, and on this page just select Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings and enter your lock screen PIN. Now after that, just select Reset, and by doing that you will not delete any data of your Samsung phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your Samsung phone to the default in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have tested the speakers of your Samsung phone and if they're not even working in the test section, so in that case you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. So just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.